Hey, welcome back. This is a video on Nvidia's DLLS files. It's an auto updater for the DLL files that overrides all of your game and application settings with a force override. This application is a nice little application to correct a lot of the errors and crap you keep getting with your video cards. The first thing you need to do is you need to get the WinRAR, which is you need to go to win-rar.com and download WinRAR and install it. Which I don't have to do that because I've already have it installed, but you can see it up on the screen right now. There's also a link at the bottom of the video to the Nvidia DLSS Global Override mode, which is an application that's standalone. You want to download, which you want to download that version right there, which is, you can see it's a .rar, which means you're going to need the WinRAR installed to be able to open that. Which I don't need to download that either because I've already done all of that. So let's move on to actually doing something with the application. Which I copied it and made a folder on my D drive and made a folder called Nvidia DLSS GLOM. Open that. And then Nvidia DLLS GLOM EXE, double click that. Okay, now that this application is open, a couple things you want to do. Make sure both of these boxes are checked right here. Then you hit download from server. You may have to allow NGX updater. I'd push that first. And then download from server. It's going to take a bit to download. And you're going to have to sit here and wait while it downloads. Which this application will download all of the DLSS files, the path tracing, the true HDR, engine generator, all the DLL files, including path tracing and ray tracing support. And as you can see, it completed all 7 steps, okayed it, and it configured the DLS override. Hit close. Okay, it is done. Now, if you want to confirm that the application is working, you turn on this button right here and show DLSS indicator. That'll make a box come up down in the bottom right, the bottom left corner of your screen. It'll show up down here. That tells you that the override is engaged on whatever program you're running, typically video games. All you have to do to turn it off is just open this program again and uncheck that box again and then exit it. It will turn it off if you don't want that overlay. Anytime you want to do an update, you just open this program, you hit download from server, it will clear all of the current NGX directory files, and then it will replace them with the latest and greatest off of the Nvidia server. And that will be pretty much everything I have for you on this. You guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time.